Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm you're signed into the correct account and region, and that both the store app and operating system are up to date. Once done, restart your device and router to flush temporary network and cache problems. Next, open the store and attempt a simple search. This immediately reveals whether the issue is local or systemic. While you watch results, note any error messages or missing categories, because those clues guide the deeper fixes. You now perform detailed diagnostics. Clear the store cache and app data, then force close and reopen the store to eliminate corrupted temporary files. If search still fails, inspect filters, parental controls, and content restrictions that can hide apps. Also validate your network. Switch to a mobile hotspot or alternate DNS such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out ISP-level blocking. Finally, re-attempt searches after each change so you can identify which action restores results. You finish by applying final remedies. Reinstall store updates or perform a store app reset when problems persist, because that rebuilds internal indexes. If the issue continues, test with a different account or device to determine whether the problem is account-specific or device-specific. If nothing restores search, collect logs, screenshots, and timestamps, and contact store support. Provide those details so support can replicate the failure. Troubleshooting tip. If search in
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.